One of the things that I learned with Leadership Dayton is the importance of relationships in the Dayton community. And what I also learned is that at Wright-Patt Credit Union, relationships really matter. We had been doing a typical what we would call a retail model of food service for the last probably 50 years. And what that meant was that we were selling food that was not healthy, not nutritious. And that's where the idea came to transform a gymnatorium into a working kitchen and cafeteria. As for the second floor, our innovation lab is letting us continue our amazing STEAM education that we provide, elevate our college counseling program, and help provide learning support for our students. Everything that we built in this campaign was a need for the school and has moved us forward, not just for this year, but for years to come.
And we had an amazing alumni family that really felt inspired by the space, but rightfully so with such large philanthropic giving. They wanted the assurance that the school had secured a construction loan. So this was the last week of December. We needed to get this finalized because for that donor to be able to remit their gift and seek those tax benefits, we needed the construction loan approved. And I am eternally grateful for Wright-Patt Credit Union. We would not be in this space right now the way it looks if they hadn't have helped us through that process.
I would say it shows that we're seen. I know I can go into the Ready Student Union. I know I can go into the college counseling space we have, or even in the Innovation Hub. We're student-led and student-focused that I know other schools don't have, and I'm grateful to have a space like this.
Wright-Patt Credit Union was a sponsor of our gala, which was our huge kickoff moment that celebrated this amazing renovation. They were so supportive, and it felt like they were our champions the entire time. You know, it feels like it's a friendship more than it is just a business partnership.
I have worked at 4 other independent schools and worked on other campaigns, and we have worked with a lot of banks in my career. And I would say Wright-Patt Credit Union was the most responsive bank that I have worked with. For them, it's not really a transactional relationship, it's truly a partnership, and they want to help us become our best self, and that I have not seen from the other banks that I have worked with.